Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 1st. Rosa Parks sparks the Civil Rights Movement 1955. On December 1, 1955, Rosa Parks refused to give up her bus seat to a white passenger in Montgomery, Alabama. Her arrest became a turning point in American history. The incident sparked the Montgomery bus boycott, a huge protest led by Martin Luther King Jr. This event brought national attention to racial injustice. Parks' quiet courage inspired millions. It remains one of the most famous moments in the fight for civil rights. World AIDS Day is observed for the first time 1988. December 1, 1988 became a landmark day when the world observed the first World AIDS Day. The purpose was to spread awareness about HIV and support those affected by it. People across countries joined together to educate others and break the stigma around the disease. Governments and health groups used this day to highlight the importance of prevention and treatment. Over time, it grew into one of the most recognized health campaigns in the world. Today, World AIDS Day continues to bring hope and awareness every year. The Channel Tunnel breakthrough 1990. On December 1, 1990, workers digging from Britain and France finally met beneath the English Channel. This moment marked the connection of the two nations by land for the very first time. The breakthrough was a huge engineering achievement after years of hard work. When the wall separating the workers crumbled, it became a powerful symbol of partnership between the countries. The completed tunnel later opened for travelers and changed transportation forever. It remains one of the most remarkable tunnels in the world today. Romania celebrates the Great Union Day 1918. December 1, 1918, is celebrated as the day Transylvania officially united with Romania. This union helped shape the modern country of Romania as we know it. Thousands of representatives gathered to declare the peaceful joining of the regions. It became a proud and emotional moment for the Romanian people. Today, December 1st is honored as Romania's National Day. It represents unity, independence, and the strength of the nation. Iceland becomes a sovereign state 1918. On December 1, 1918, Iceland gained sovereignty from Denmark. Though still in a union with Denmark, Iceland gained full control over its internal affairs. This step marked the beginning of its path toward full independence. The day brought great national pride to Icelanders. It showed their determination to govern themselves. Iceland later became a fully independent republic in 1944. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.